I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing any data you might need later, and then start the removal. Back up to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if necessary. This is why we don't skip backups. Once done, sign out of iCloud and turn off Find My iPhone to avoid activation lock. Make sure the device has sufficient battery or stays plugged in. You need a stable Wi-Fi connection for downloads and verification before continuing. You now perform the actual erase and account removal, which is the complex middle step. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, then erase all content and settings to wipe user data and settings. This cleans apps, accounts, and keys. If you're transferring hardware, remove the SIM or deactivate eSIM, deregister iMessage and FaceTime to stop message routing. If the device is locked or unresponsive, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to restore the firmware, which forcibly reinstalls. You finish by confirming the wipe and handling common failures. After the reset, the device should boot to the Setup Assistant without any Apple ID attached. That confirms a full erase. Only restore a backup when you've got the right passwords and two-factor access, because restores reintroduce data. If activation lock or unexpected Apple ID prompts persist, sign in with the original Apple ID to remove the lock. If you can't, contact Apple support with proof of ownership. That's the key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.